Hi students, in previous session we finished application of integrals PU part. Today we are going to start application of integrals competitive. Now already we learned how to find area between simple curves and area between two above sided curves or below whatever. Now area between two curves also we learn, and in this more synopsis is not there because based on curves only we can find the area, and to find area between two curves few standard formulas are there, only one or two. It is area bounded by parabola y square equal to 4ax and line y is equal to mx is formula is 8a square by 3m cube. Next, area bounded by two parabolas y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay is 16a square by 3. When both a value on symbol, in case same area bounded by two parabolas y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. Negative part is, so 4a means if you take b here, different symbol. If you take different symbol b, 4b y, then area will becomes 16ab by 3. So they have few formulas already in area of circle pi r square, area of ellipse pi into a into b, those formulas already we know. Now we are learning the new concept, that is curve tracing. That means by given curve equation how to draw the graph or to find the graph of a curve. Now we need to follow the below steps. Sometimes this is useful. Unknown curve is given. In that first one, symmetry. Now in this symmetry we have few ways to recognize the curve. It is symmetric with respect to, in that I am taking first one, symmetric with x-axis. When we call the given curve is symmetric with respect to x-axis means if all the powers of y in the equation is even. Now all the powers of y in the equation is even power is there, those equation we symmetric with respect to which axis? X-axis. Then curve symmetric with the x-axis. Examples. If we take examples, y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax. For example, y power 4 equal to 4ax, like this. So 4ax square something value. Here what this is clearly symmetric with respect to x-axis only, either negative or positive x-axis. Then how to identify that curve is symmetric with respect to which axis? Based on the powers of y in the equation, all the powers of y in the equation y having even power. then that curve is symmetric with which axis? X-axis. Now, same thing, how to identify symmetric with respect to y-axis? We are symmetric with the y-axis. Symmetry with respect to y-axis means, a simple, if all powers of x in the equation is even, x powers are even is there in the complete equation, then the curve is symmetric with the y-axis. Examples, if we take, I'll take x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay, like this. So many we can take. Next, if the curve is symmetric with both axes, how to identify the given curve is symmetric with both axes? How to identify? A simple thing, if all powers of x and y, all powers of x and y in the equation is even, then that curve is called, then the curve is symmetric with x and y axis. Examples, if you take a circle is what? X square plus y square equal to a square. If you take ellipse, these all are symmetric with both axes, not only one axis. Clear? Now this is a simple examples for symmetric. The given curve is symmetric with both axes. Next, in this symmetry property, the symmetric with y is equal to x line. Now when this is possible means, in the equation, if we interchanging x and y and the equation does not change, a curve is not changing, unchanged. By interchanging x and y, comma, the curve is unchanged. Curve is unchanged. Then the curve is symmetric with y is equal to x. That means if you replace x and y, interchanging those two symbols also, the curve is not changing nature. Curve, the equation remains same only. Such equations we called as symmetric with which axis? Y is equal to x line, not axis here. Example, I will take like this. X cube plus y cube equal to some a square, or x cube plus y cube equal to some 3xy, or x power 4 plus y power 4 equal to some 2xy. You interchange x and y values, symbols, but equation will get same again. Here y take y cube plus x cube equal to a square. Here y cube plus x cube equal to 3xy. Equation is not changing. That's why when the equation, in the equation, if you interchange x and y also, the curve is unchanged, means not changing the nature. Original equation we need to get. Such equations we called as symmetric with which line? Y is equal to x line. That is a symmetry about different conditions. Now coming to second point, point number 2. After verifying that is symmetric with axis or both axis or y is equal to x line, second point is find all points of curve crosses x and y axis, x axis and y axis. That means at what points a curve is cuts x and y axis, that point of intersection we need to find by solving. Third one, after finding that, we need to find dy by dx. If possible, find intervals when curve f of x is increasing or decreasing in the intervals. Not only in the where the increasing decreasing condition, simple thing you have to remember here, what here, after finding the where the curve cuts the x and y axis, after finding that we need to find dy by dx. After finding dy by dx, try to find the intervals in which interval the curve is increasing and the curve is decreasing, and also find a stationary point. Stationary point means what here? At that point, derivative of the curve is becomes 0. Such point we called as stationary point. That means at that value, for example, cos is there. If you take at 0, 1 will get condition wise. Cos, or if you take 0, pi by 2. At 0, 1 will get. What is the stationary point for cos here? Pi by 2, because pi by 2 function value becomes 0 condition wise generally. Now in this after finding dy by dx, we need try to verify in which interval increasing, in which interval decreasing, or find also stationary point. Okay. After finding this one, find y when x is tending to infinity or x is tending to minus infinity. Finding y value from the curve when x is tending to infinity value or minus infinity, what value possible, finally we need to evaluate. When it is required means based on limits, if we don't know, x value we don't know, means when the infinite curve is there. For example, the curve is there like this. We need to find complete area. We don't know which area we need to find. So what you will do in this case, from 0 to infinity will take. From 0 to infinity, y means what? In terms of x only will get. Clear? Now in terms of x means what? 0 to infinity, the curve dx will take. Now this is a curve. For example, the curve equation is there like this. This is the graph of y is equal to 1 by x. Rectangular hyperbola. Now in this case, limits we don't know. We need to find a region from where to where we don't have idea. In that case, what you will do, the tending from 0 to infinity, you will consider. So finding y value when x is tending to infinity or x is tending to minus infinity. Now this is the process of finding curve tracing when you don't know how to evaluate the graph of the given curve. Okay, I'll start problems. Now application of integrals, areas also given in definite integrals chapter only. Page number 25.26. From question number 76 to 95, area questions are there. Coming to question number 76. The value of A is greater than 0, for which the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x by 6 plus 1 by x square, y equal to 0, comma x equal to a, comma x equal to 2a, as the least value we need to find in this case. Now here curve every time no need to find here because limits already given. When limits is not given, we need to follow the curve tracing concept. Y is equal to 0 means which axis? X axis. That means area between the curve x axis and x equal to a and x equal to 2a. That's why directly we can take here limits already existed. Integral a to 2a, what is the curve? Y dx. Integral a to 2a, x by 6 plus 1 by x square into dx. Integrate this. Integral of x is x square by 2, 2 6 are 12. Integral of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x from a to 2a. Now upper limit substitute 2a whole square, that is 4a square by 12 minus 1 by 2a minus of a square by 12 minus 1 by a. Now 4a square by 12, this is minus a square by 12 minus 1 by 2a, minus into minus plus 1 by a. For these two terms LCM is same, 4a square minus a square, that is 3a square by 12 minus 1 by 2a plus 1 by a, you will get 1 by 2a. Okay, na? The simplification. They given wrong options, so it is a don't follow that answer. We have 3 ones, 3 4s. So here a square by 4 plus 1 by 2a, this is the area we got in terms of a. They are asking the value of least value of or minimum value of a. That's why this is the area after evaluating. I will take this is function of a. Now function of a I am taking, from this we can find the least value of a. For that I will differentiate with respect to a. A is not like a constant, it is a variable we are taking. That's why f derivative f dash of a derivative 1, a square derivative 2a by 4. Now 1 by 2 into remaining what? 1 by a. 1 by x derivative what? Minus 1 by a square or x square, general condition. We have 2 ones, 2 2s. F dash of a equal to a by 2 minus 1 by 2a square. To get the maxima or minima, actual application of derivatives you will get anywhere, you will get maxima or minima at the stationary point. Stationary point means if this is a curve is there, it is increasing and immediately decreasing. Where you will get either maximum? Here. At this point only, derivative of the function will become 0. Here maximum will come, but the curve is there like this. Here what? Decreasing, again increasing. In this case what here? You will get the minimum. At here also the derivative of the curve will becomes 0. That's why this point we called as stationary point. That's why to get maximum or minimum value of f means we need to put f dash of x is 0. That's why as for that concept we are taking f dash of a is 0 because they are asking only about minimum value, least value. So for maximum or minimum, f dash of a equal to 0. Here a value we need to find, a by 2 minus 1 by 2a square equal to 1. A by 2 equal to 1 by 2a square. Now 2 cancel, a cube equal to 1. A equal to 1. They given third option, but third option is wrong because they are not taken 2 here, but 2 you will get here in f of only. F of a they taken 1 by a. How it is possible? Minus 1 by 2a plus 1 by a means 1 by 2a will get. So it is a wrong is given option. Now option D is the correct one. Change the option, they given C. Next question, question number 77. In 77, the area bounded by the curve y equal to x mod x and x-axis and ordinates minus 1 and 1. Actually, PA model we done already in a study class only. Now y equal to x mod x means two curves will get. When means it is minus x square if x is less than 0, plus x square if x is greater than or equal to 0. Reason? Less than 0 means mod x will becomes minus x. X into minus x is minus x square. When x greater than or equal to 0 means this will becomes plus x, x square will get. Two curves are there here, condition y equal to x square, two curves. For this we need to draw the graph, we can understand easily. Both are parabolas only. For positive values, 0 if you take 0, 1 means 1 will get. So this is the curve we will get. In yesterday class we explained this is y is equal to x square. Next, y is equal to minus x square means we will get in third and fourth quadrant like this. But we are not taking more than 0 because this condition is exist here only for negative values. Negative values means only in one side we have to take here. Now this is the origin. They are asking area between minus 1 to plus 1. To find total area, 2 ways you have to take here. But minus 1 to 0, what is the curve here? Y is equal to minus x square. But this region is below the x-axis there. That's why area equal to, we need to take modulus integral minus 1 to 0. What is the curve? Minus x square dx plus from 0 to 1, what is the curve? X square dx. Modulus of integral of minus x square is minus x cube by 3 from minus 1 to 0. X cube by 3 from 0 to 1. Substitute upper limit, 0 cube is 0 minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 minus or minus plus 1 by 3. Now 1 cube 1 by 3 minus 0. Now mod of minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Answer is what? 2 by 3. That is option C is the correct one. When coming to next question. Question number 78. The area of the region lying between the line x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 and the curve what is given? X equal to root y. In between this we need to find the area. From this I will find y value. Send this y that side, what will get? X plus 2 equal to y. Here we don't know the point of intersection. How to find point of intersection value? Now x value is enough, y value no need to find generally. Now substitute this y value in that. X equal to root of x plus 2. Squaring on both sides. X square equal to x plus 2. X square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now minus 2 means factors what? Minus 2 plus 1. Directly I am writing x minus 2 into x plus 1. By splitting my minus x is minus 2x plus x. You will get that factors. X value either minus 1 or x value 2. But x value minus 1 condition, what you are taking? X value minus 1 means negative side we are not taking because here root y is there. We are not considering that negative value. Only x value 2 you will take enough. X value 2 means y value. This is equation 2. From first equation, 2 plus 2 equal to y. Y equal to what we will get? 4. It's a point we got here in positive side because root y is exist. We are not taking in negative x value, not required also. So we are only in the first quadrant 2 comma 4 will exist. The curve, when coming to the curve, which reason we need to find here? This line passing through which point we don't know exactly. How to find that? Line, if you take y is 0, x value what will get? Minus 2. That's why here this is minus 2. If x value 0 means y value what? 2. This is 2. This line is clearly passing through these 2 points because this curve is not symmetric with anything. But how to evaluate this? Where these two are crossing with x and y axis we are finding. Curve tracing method wise. Now this line is crossing x axis at minus 2 comma 0 and at 0 comma 2. The curve where it is passing we don't know exactly, we need to draw the graph. Now x value 0 take, y also 0 will get. Next x value 1 take, y also 1 will get. X value 2 take, x2 means 2 equal to root y equal to 2 square 4. That's why somewhere you will get here. Here 4 means here we will get the point. This is the curve exactly we will get. We are not taking negative side only because root y is there, only positive side is there. Don't make squaring on both sides, that is parabola. Nature changes. When apply any operation on that, nature will change while drawing the graph. Clear? Don't apply squaring on both sides like that while tracing the curve. Okay? This is the curve we got. x0, y also 0, x1, y also 1, x2 means y value 4 we get. Now this is a region bounded by these values. Now, this region is from where to where is there? From 0 to 2, upper is a line, lower is a curve. I am doing with respect to x, that's why from second equation, after tracing the curve, we can change y completely in terms of x. Now x square equal to what we will get from that? Y. By squaring on both sides. But while tracing curve, don't take squaring on both sides. Nature changes. But to evaluate the area only, I am taking y equal to f of x form. Okay. Now, required area equal to, from where to where? 0 to 2. Upper is a line. Line equation already we know what? X plus 2. Minus lower is a curve. Curve already we got y in terms of x. X square dx. Now x square by 2. Plus 2x minus x cube by 3 from 0 to 2. Simplify this, upper limit substitute. 2 square 4, 4 by 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 cube 8 by 3. For lower limit all values is 0. 6 minus 8 by 3. LCM 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 8 is 10 by 3. Square units is the answer. That is option C is the correct one. Next, question number 79. Now, question number 79, the area bounded by the curve y equal to sine inverse x and the line x equal to 0 means which axis? Y axis, and mod y equal to pi by 2. Mod y equal to pi by 2 means if you remove modulus, what will you get? Plus or minus pi by 2. The limits is given. Sin inverse x, if you take graph, for sin inverse graph, already we discussed in inverse trigonometry, numbers on x axis, angles on y axis. This is the boundary line we have, because we need to find region from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. 1 you will get at which angle? Pi by 2. Minus 1 at which angle? Minus pi by 2. 0 at which angle? 0. Now we need to find these both areas. But one region is symmetric with another region. Now OAB. OAB and this region also both are same regions. That's why we are doing this area is symmetric with which axis? Y axis clearly. That's why here we are taking required area equal to 2 times of area of region OABO. OABO limits, y limits will get 0 to pi by 2 and x equal to 0 means y axis only. That's why 0 to pi by 2, we are taking y limits. That's why we need to change this curve in terms of y. Send the sine by this side, what will get? Sine y is equal to x. That's why 2 into integral OABO limits is what? 0 to pi by 2. Both are y limits. Curve change in terms of y, sine y into dy. 2 into integral of sine y minus cos y, 0 to pi by 2. Minus take common. Substitute upper limit cos pi by 2 minus cos 0. Minus 2 into cos pi by 2 0 minus cos 1 is cos 0 is 1. Here minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Now answer is 2 square units, that is option B is the correct one. Next, Question number 80. Question number 80. The area bounded by the curves mod of y plus x less than or equal to 1, mod of y minus, so mod of y minus x less than or equal to 1, comma 3x square plus 3y square equal to 1. They given 3x square lemma, change the equation. Now generally mod x less than or equal to 1 means the condition is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. That is a general for mod x is less than or equal to 1. Based on that we can verify these conditions. Y plus x less than or equal to or minus 1 less than or equal to 1 will get. That means from this we can verify x plus y is greater than or equal to minus 1, x plus y less than or equal to 1. Similarly here minus 1 less than or equal to y minus x less than or equal to 1. From this y minus x greater than or equal to minus 1, y minus x less than or equal to 1. And the last one is a circle. Circle is what? Send these 3 that side, what will get? X square plus y square equal to 1 by 3. Here center is 0 comma 0. Radius is 1 by root 3 because this we can write 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay. Now from this, these are the straight lines clearly. This is x plus y is equal to minus 1, x plus y equal to 1, and here if you multiply minus here what will get? X minus y is equal to 1 plus 1 will get. Next here multiply with minus what will get? X minus y equal to minus 1. These are the 4 lines. These 4 lines form a square. Only understanding purpose I am telling ma. Y0 x value minus 1, x0 y also minus 1. Y0 x value 1, x0 y also 1. Similarly here also same thing. Y0 x value 1, x0 y value minus 1. In last line y value 0, x value minus 1, x value 0, y value plus 1. Now this clearly forms a square. Now this is center 1, here minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. Now first here whatever lines if you draw each one, this is in clearly in first quadrant. Next one 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1, this is in second quadrant. Both are negative, this is in third quadrant line. And last one more fourth quadrant line. This forms a triangle clearly. Now here reason which one you have to find here? The area between these lines and the circle. Circle center is origin, radius is 1 by root 3 means some 0.5 something you will get if you simplify 0.58 like that. So circle is like this you will get center with respect to origin. We don't want this region, we want the area between these 4 lines and the circle. That means now this is the region we need to find, complete region. This complete region we want. How to find? From complete area of square, if you remove circle area from area of square, if you subtract area of circle, you will get the required shaded region will get. That's why it's very simple logic. How to find area of a square? Side square only in a formula. Side how to find? This is 1 comma 0, this is 0 comma 1. If you take this is A point and B point, you will find the side easily. So area of square. I will take A1. For that AB length required. AB what will get? 1 minus 0 whole square, 0 minus 1 whole square. So root of 2 whole square, that is we get what here condition wise? The 1 minus 0 root 2 will get. Now clearly length what you will get here 1 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square, that is root 2 will get side. So area of this one is side square only, that is root 2 whole square means what you will get? 2. We know area of circle with radius, area of circle pi r square. R value what is there? 1 by root 3 whole square means 1 by that is pi by 3. Now required area This I'll take A2, A1 minus A2, that is 2 minus pi by 3 square units, that is option A is the correct one. Next question, question number 81. In 81 question, area lying in the first quadrant bounded by the curve y equal to x cube and y equal to 4x. But area between the curve and 4x we need to find. Now we don't know the point of intersection. That's why we need to solve these two equations. This is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Left side equal only, that's why y cube equal to 4x. Now x cube minus 4x equal to 0. X common, x square minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to 0 or x square equal to 4. Plus or minus 1 not required because only they are asking in first quadrant, x value 2 is enough. X value 0 from first equation, y also 0. X value 2 from first equation, y equal to 2 cube 8. The point of intersection we got already. Now again in yesterday class we discussed x cube graph. The graph of x cube will get like this. Now y is equal to mx, clearly passing through origin. But they are asking this is a 2, 8 point. This is 0, 0. This is a region we need to only in first quadrant they are asking. That's why no need to make double, no need to find this region. This region is from where to where is there? From 0 to 2. Upper is a line. Lower is a curve. Simple. That's why required area. The required area equal to from where to where? 0 to 2. Upper is a line 4x. Lower is a curve. If the doubt is there upper minus lower, take modulus, take any subtraction, upper minus lower, any curve we can take, answer will get correctly. Integral of 4 into x square, x integration is x square by 2. X cube integration is x power 4 by 4. From 0 to 2. 2 ones, 2 2's. Substitute upper limit and lower limit. 2 into 2 square 4. 2 power 4, 16 by 4. For lower limit both are 0 only. 8 minus 4, that is 4 square units. That is option C is the correct one. Next, question number 81. In question number 81, area bounded by the curve x into y square equal to a square into a minus x on the y axis. Area between these two we need to find here in this case. I will find this curve x completely in terms of y. So x y square equal to a square into a cube minus a square x. Send this minus a square x is this side. X y square plus a square x equal to a cube. In this x is common. Y square plus a square equal to a cube. X equal to a cube by y square plus a square. In this curve the powers of y clearly even is there, but condition will not exist exactly notations wise. See in this how to draw the curve. X and y axis. If we take a y is 0 because x cannot be 0. X 0 means this completely y will vanish. Y will eliminate. You never get the curve. The equation becomes invalid. Okay. So y cannot be 0, but x can be x cannot be 0 ma. So y can be 0 we can take. If y value 0, y 0 means what you will get? Y 0. X value what you will get? Check once. What? A cube by 0 plus a square. You will get x value a will get. So this is the point you will get here, a comma 0. If y value a will take, y value a means what? X value a cube by a square plus a square, 2a square, that is a by 2 you will get. Similarly, negative will take means negative side will come existence. So here simple, a by 2 means half of this. Here also half of this will get, if you take negative side values. That's why the curve never crosses the y-axis. It's a way to get the curve. Here never crossing the y-axis, it is going up to infinity, because if y on y-axis x value 0 means this does not exist case. Okay, that's why we need the regions up to infinity. From where to where? 0 to infinity, and from minus infinity to 0. Now both are symmetric, because 0 to infinity how much length will be there? From minus infinity to 0 also same length. To find total area, I will find this region. What? From 0 to infinity only. 0 to up to where? Infinity. I will make the double. Okay. Already we converted this one with respect to y is there region. So area equal to 2 into area from 0 to infinity. Okay. This region we can't restrict because it is up to infinity is there. 2 into integral 0 to infinity. The curve, this region is clearly symmetric with which axis there? Y-axis. That's why we are taking x dy. Already we converted x in terms of y. 2 into integral 0 to infinity a cube by y square plus a square dy. 2a cube common. Integral 0 to infinity 1 by y square plus a square dy. We have a formula. Integral 1 by x square plus a square formula. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Y by a. Limits is from 0 to infinity. 1a value gets cancelled. What remaining? 2a square. Substitute upper limit. Tan inverse of infinity by a infinity minus tan inverse of 0. 2a square into tan inverse of infinity means pi by 2. Tan inverse of 0 is 0. Now 2 cancel. What is the answer we will get? Pi a square. That is option B is the correct one. So next, question number 83. Question number 83. The area inside the parabola 5x square minus y equal to 0. But outside the parabola 2x square minus y plus 9 equal to 0. For these two reasons we need to find clearly given inside 5x square minus y equal to 0. For this parabola outside. Okay. Now how to find this one? Send this minus by this side. Now what you will get here? Y equal to 5x square. This is clearly third form of parabola. Next here 2x square plus 9 equal to y. This is also third form of parabola only, but shifted vertex you will get. Now to get the vertex here we need to find clearly. For this origin is a vertex. How to find a vertex for this? Because x cannot be, y cannot be 0 on y-axis. Okay na? So because this towards positive y-axis only. Now here x value 0 means y what you will get? Check once. Y what you will get? 9 clearly. So here vertex will get clearly 0, 9. They are asking area between these two curves for one curve inside, one curve outside. First curve clearly third form of parabola. Because vertex is 0, 0, x value 0, y value 0 will get. X 0 means y value 9 we got. 9 means somewhere we will get here. This is y equal to 2x square plus 9. This curve is y is equal to 5x square. Clearly know the area bounded by inside of this curve. This is inside. this is outside. And for this curve, what? Outside. That's why this is the required reason we need to find here. Both parts required, but one part is symmetric with another part. Clear? Now the condition wise, what you are taking here? Now, where these two are intersecting, we don't know exactly points. We need to find here. Now, one region O, A, B, I'll make the double because they're asking area is inside the parabola and outside the parabola. That point of intersection we don't know. We'll solve this. This is 1 and this is 2 take. For both y equal only, that's why I'll compare remaining sides. 5x square equal to 2x square plus 9. 2x square take this side. 3x square equal to 9. X square equal to 3. X is equal to plus or minus root 3. Means here root 3 will get. Here minus root 3. To find total area, each part is symmetric with another part. So from 0 to root 3, upper is which curve? Second curve. Lower is which curve? First curve. So I will make the double. Required area equal to 2 into integral from where to where? 0 to root 3. From 0 to root 3, upper curve is second one. Clearly it is by diagram you can understand. 2x square plus 9, lower is 5x square. 2 into integral 0 to root 3, 2x square minus 5x square, that is minus 3x square, 9 minus 3x square into dx. Integrate now. Integral of 9, 9x. Integral of 3 into x square integration is x cube by 3. From 0 to root 3. 3 cancel. Now 2 into, substitute upper limit, 9 root 3 minus root 3 whole cube. For lower limit, both values become 0, leave it. 2 into 9 root 3. Root 3 whole cube means what? Root 3 whole square is 3, remaining one more root 3. 2 into 9 root 3 minus 3 root 3, that is 6 root 3. Now 2 into 6, that is 12 root 3 square units is the answer, that is option A. Question number 84. The area bounded by the curve x equal to y square and x equal to 2 by 1 plus y square. Here also limits is not given. We need to find here. Okay. First you will draw the graph, then you can understand. First one, what the given equation clearly is in standard form of first form of parabola. Towards positive x-axis. Coming to second one, here x cannot be 0. The reason is very clear. If x is 0 means the complete equation will invalid. That's why. But y can be 0. If y is 0, x value what will get? 1 plus 0. 2 by 1, 2 will get. Now where these two intersecting we don't know. That's why y cannot be 0. This is the way the curve will get. Previous we done a cube by y square plus a square. Same form of this one only. How we got curve like this? Same like that. This is x equal to 2 by 1 plus y square. Now this is a region we need to find both regions, above part and below part. But we don't know the intersection points. We will solve these equations. This equation 1 and equation 2. Left side x only, na? Compare right side. Y square equal to 2 by 1 plus y square. Cross multiply. Y square plus y power 4 equal to 2. From this, y power 4 plus y square minus 2 equal to 0. Factors. Y power 4. Factors is plus 2y square minus y square minus 2 equal to 0. Y square common, y square plus 2 minus 1 common, y square plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here y square plus 2 common. Next y square minus 1 remaining. Y square plus 2 cannot be 0 because you will get imaginary roots. Now y square equal to 1. Y you can get plus or minus 1. That means here minus 1 plus 1. You will do with respect to y like this. If you take from minus 1 to 1, this area both are symmetric. I will take from 0 to 1, which is upper curve 2 by 1 plus y square, which is the lower curve y square. I am doing with respect to, if you want to do with x means, we have to split like this. From here to here, 2 parts we need to add and we need to make double. Because from 0 to b, y square curve is there. From b to a, second curve is there. That's why length, that's why I am doing with respect to y. That's why required area equal to 2 times of area of region OABO. That region I am doing with respect to, because we need from minus 1 to 1. I will do what? 2 times of 0 to 1, because 0 to 1 how much area is there? From minus 1 to 0 also same region is exist. 0 to 1, if you are doing with respect to y means like this. In this view you have to see upper curve is 2 by 1 plus y square, lower curve is y square into dy. Because we are taking y limits, we are integrating also with respect to y values. 2 into 1 by 1 plus y square, tan inverse y formula, that is 2 tan inverse y minus integral of y square, that is y cube by 3, from where to where? 0 to 1. 2 into 2 tan inverse of 1 minus 1 cube is 1. For lower limit both values are 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0, 0 by 0 cube also 0 will get. 2 into pi by 4 minus 1 by 3. Multiply 2, 4 pi by 4 minus 2 by 3. 4 cancel. Answer is pi minus 2 by 3. That is option A is the correct one.